that you're tired of being alone. Dad, I know you're trying to fight when you feel like flying, but if you love me, don't let go. If you love me, don't let go.